is Shaheen. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I am going to make a wonderful, tasty potato fingers fed of rice. So come and have a look how to make them. These are two potatoes. I have cut them into fine long pieces. We have to fry them. We haven't added anything right now. We have to fry them till crispy. Here we are tempering our garlic till crispy and light brown in color. Our fried potatoes are ready. We have to add this crispy garlic into it, parsley or coriander, red chilli according to taste, salt according to taste, and this is cheese which we are going to grate. Now we have to toss it, cover